Trinity University tennis teams as well as San Antonio residents now get to practice and play in style thanks to the newly renovated Butch Newman Tennis Center. The former Delavan courts that were built back in 1968 have now been upgraded to 8 courts, covered seating for players and spectators, and fenced-in areas to keep balls from flying across next-door courts. Recently, over the winter break, they were resurfaced and repainted. So, Coach Carrillo, how do you think the new courts will benefit the tennis teams in the future?
Well, the courts get resurfaced about every 8 years, so that's when they're supposed to be, so it was due about time. But since we just got the courts resurfaced, it just benefits a lot. The courts are less slick, it slows down the ball a little bit so that players have a lot more time to set up for the ball. And I guess in the next, couple of 8 years, I guess, it's going to benefit us just being able to play a slower ball, have safer courts, obviously, so the players don't slip or anything like that. And then, just to have them is another purpose, just because we can recruit. It's a better recruiting aspect of the facility. It makes us look better.
Well, what would be your favorite part about being on the tennis team?
I really enjoy, or not just enjoy, I just love the team. These group of girls, they're just amazing. They're super comforting, they're confident, they're just amazing girls that just make you seem just like part of a big family. And especially like in college, you tend to like miss your family and your old friends, and just they make me seem like I'm back home.
This has been Allison Carr, Newswave 14, reporting.